Searching for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Berries Creek area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Georgetown's Berries Creek area, you are likely to have been an fender bender or worse. Roadway mishaps take place typically in any part of the world, and, whether it might be your fault or not, only one thing is for sure: damage to your car or truck is generally inescapable. A car or truck mishap is generally really demanding. Aside from the preliminary occurrence, a big part of the tension follows the crash. Why? Due to the fact that, after the mishap, the damage to the car or truck needs to be fixed, which can be pricey both in time and cash. Watch this auto body shop video in Berries Creek. So what do you do? If you're trying to find crash repair work, you'll need to discover a service center you can rely on. That's not constantly simple. After all, the majority of the time you will not understand if the service center is attempting to rip off you till it's far too late. So what can be done to conserve you your time, your cash, and your nerves? Body collision repair quote for Georgetown's Berries Creek. As soon as you have actually shortlisted a couple of car or truck repair work centers that have the proficiencies to handle all sort of crashes, you need to request for price quotes and compare them. Depending upon the quality of service and the sort of repair work that the repairers have actually examined, the overall expense of the repair work might differ to some extent. By getting a price quote from various repair work centers, you can get a concept on the level of the damage that requires to be fixed on your automobile. Body collision repair insurance help evaluation your crash repair work arrangement and understand the specific protection of the insurance coverage. Prepare funds for repair work services that are not defined in the policy. Body collision repair equipment high-tech devices is now readily available at vehicle service center, like the laser determining system. This system makes certain that the repair work is done properly. Body collision repair techs. Many a times, car or truck mishaps include more than simple external damage. The wheels get destroyed, radiators squashed, exhaust bent and more. You need to likewise get the transmission and positioning examined. The ideal mechanic and the right store guarantee your automobile is as good as brand new prior to returning it to you. Body collision repair near you. Initially, constantly contact the BBB to see if any problems have actually been made versus the service center near you. Nevertheless, given that the BBB is a personal company, you need to likewise contact the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The most convenient method to do that is to check out the FTC website. Another thing you can do is drop in the service center and talk with the other motorists who are getting their lorries fixed. This will assist you determine the level of service the service center supplies. Truck body parts. There are lots of threats you confront with a below-average automobile repair work. Crash repair work will be pricey, however do not let this overwhelm you. With all the threats included with low cost and less than professional repair work, the better option will constantly be to have your automobile fixed and brought back at a trustworthy and insurance coverage company approved second-hand car or truck crash center who brings much of the parts required. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.